In this video, I'm going to be answering your questions, the questions you guys left in the comments. Let's begin. First off, we have the question, is there a difference in meaning between أنا خايف and عم بخاف? So أنا خايف means I'm scared. We would not use عم بخاف. We would not use عم بخاف to say I'm scared. We wouldn't even use this, yeah? The عم is the ing, but in this case, if you just want to say I'm scared, you just say أنا خايف if you're male, خايفة for female. Or خايفة, okay? A or A ending, depending where you are. So أنا خايف, أنا خايفة. Second question. Thank you guys, but this is, I'm literally reading what the person's saying. Thank you guys, but for coffee, قهوة, why don't you pronounce the qaf? This question, every day, someone in the comments ask it every day. I'm not even joking, every day. That's why I made a video literally talking about the different pronunciations of the letter qaf. So I've linked it here. Make sure to check it out. In summary, يعني, I highly recommend watching the video, but what you absolutely need to know is that the qaf is one of those letters that in dialect, this can change. And in many places, such as the Levant and the Gulf and Egypt and other places as well, the qaf can be pronounced as an a or a ga. This is very important to know. So ahwe can be pronounced as gahwe or ahwe. Okay? Very, very important. That's why I made a video again about the qaf. Check it out. I also made a video about the different pronunciations of the word coffee. So check that out as well. That's the second question. Third question, is there a way to differentiate between maternal and paternal grandparents? No, we do not have a way to differentiate between maternal and paternal grandparents. We would just say جدي من جهة أبوي, جدي من جهة أمي, أو جدي أبو أبوي, or جدي أبو أمي, مثلا, for example. So this, I guess this question is coming from, or you know that for certain relatives like aunt and uncle, we differentiate based on the side of the family. So we know khal and khala, so uncle, khal, and khala, aunt. This is from the mom's side. From the father's side, am and amma. So with those we differentiate. With uncle and aunt, we can differentiate between the paternal and maternal side. With grandparents, no. And then someone else was asking, you say the word mish to a negative sentence. Could you make a video how to use ma when you, or use mish? Or saying when you use ma, nada, when you use mish. I think the question is, I think what you're trying to say is when to use ma, when to use mish. Very simple answer to this. Use ma with verbs, use mish with everything else. There might be some exceptions. Yani, you're going to come across some exceptions, but you can use this as a kind of as a rule of thumb. Ma used with verbs, mish with everything else. Okay, so someone else here is asking, I understand you're saying they were able to reach high levels, but I wanted to verify, is idru in the past tense and yusal in the present tense? If so, is this the structure is this always the structure when saying someone was able to do something in the past? Okay, and the question is about the phrase idru yusalu mustawayat ali. Idru, they were able to reach. Idru yusalu. Yusalu, to reach. Okay, so yes, 100%. Idru is in the past tense, yusalu is in the present tense. This is actually the structure, just exactly like you said. Think of how in English you have the infinitive tense. Infinitive is to go, to reach, to do, to eat. Anytime you have to plus the verb, this is called the infinitive tense. In Ammi Arabic, whenever, kind of take it as a rule of thumb, whenever you see to or you see the infinitive tense, conjugate for the present tense. So for example, idru yusalu, idru, they were able to, okay, they were able, and then yusalu, to reach. They were able, past tense idru, so ana baqdar is I can or I'm able to. Hum biqdaru, that's in the present tense, but idru is in the past tense. So the sentence is saying hum idru, they were able, and then to reach, this is an infinitive form, so we use the present tense. idru yusalu, idru ياكلوا, قدروا يشوفوا, قدروا يعملوا. They were able to do. قدروا يعملوا كتير أشياء مثلا. قدروا يشتغلوا, قدروا يوصلوا مستويات عالية. In this case, تمام. So hopefully that answers your question. What else do we have? تقدروا انتوا كمان تقولوا ممل الكلمة زهاني. Okay, ممل means boring. زهقان is I'm bored. This is very important to know, okay? So the synonym of mumil is bizahe, something that makes you bored. Bizahe, it's the verb form, makes you bored. Bizahe. And zah'an is describing how I'm feeling. This is I'm bored, not I'm boring, okay? So mumil, you can use bizahe, okay? Mumille bit zahe, because the synonym bizahe and bit zahe, this is a verb, so we have to conjugate. So if it's a masculine thing, بزهق, it's a feminine, بتزهق. All of this, guys, in the Palestinian/Jordanian dialect, as you know. You guys are asking questions, so you know this, but if someone's just hopping in right now and brand new, make sure to check out the free mini course. Link is in the bio. So yeah, ممل, and then بزهق, مملة, بتزهق. If I want to say I'm bored, أنا زهقان, feminine version, أنا زهقانة, okay? Someone's asking, well, when will registration open? Also get this question a lot. Keep an eye out on the page. But first step is to take the free mini course. Take the free mini course, and then we'll announce on there or on our Instagram page, obviously here on YouTube as well, when registration will be open. So keep an eye on the page, on the channel, on the page, on the free mini course to get notified. Okay, someone's asking for pain. I used to say waja. What's the difference between alam and waja? Synonyms. Yeah, you can use alam, you say waja, synonyms. Tamam? Shukran, كمان, what else do we have? That's about it. I'm sure there's a few more, but we'll get back to those in another video. Hopefully this helped. Just a quick video answering your questions. Again, make sure to check out the free mini course. I'm going to link the videos that I referenced, especially the ones about the qaf, because the qaf question I get asked literally every day. Why is the qaf in dialect or ammiya pronounced as an a or a ga? Why is this the case? It's just how it is. In dialect, the qaf is one of those letters that changes pronunciation a little bit. Qaf becomes a or a ga. Anyway, hope that helped. Let me know what other questions you have, or if these answer your questions, or if you have follow-ups in the comments. بشوفكم في فيديو جاي. See you in the next video.